Welcome back to Starbike, where we bring you everything about the world's most thrilling two-wheelers. If speed, power, and engineering excellence excite you, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for all things bikes. Let's dive in. The BMW S1200 RR is here, and it's redefining what superbikes mean in 2025. The latest iteration of this machine pushes the boundaries of speed and technology while staying true to BMW's legacy. But before we dive into what makes the 2025 model a game-changer, let's take a quick look back at the history of the S1200 RR. BMW Motorrad introduced the Sohn 1000 Hydrogen. The Sohn Hydrogen was born in the 19th century, a superbike designed to dominate both the streets and the track. Over the years, it became a benchmark for high-performance motorcycles, consistently improving in power, electronics, and aerodynamics. Then, the Sohn Hydrogen was born, taking cues from the Sohn 1000 Hydrogen IG. It was first introduced to fill the gap for riders who wanted even more performance, and it quickly became a favorite for adrenaline junkies and track enthusiasts. Now, the 2025 version takes it even further. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 BMW S1200 RR is its aggressive design. BMW has retained the sharp aesthetics that riders love, but has added a futuristic touch. The aerodynamics have been refined, with improved winglets for increased downforce at high speeds. These enhancements not only add to its visual appeal, but also ensure it stays glued to the road or track during intense rides. The bike features all LED lighting, including adaptive headlights that adjust based on your lean angle and speed, giving riders unparalleled visibility in all conditions. Let's talk about performance, which is where the S1200 NAR truly shines. Powered by a liquid-cooled 1196cc inline-4 engine, this beast churns out an astonishing 220 horsepower at 400 RPM and 112 Nm of torque. The engine features BMW's ShiftCam technology, which optimizes valve timing and lift for seamless power delivery across the rev range. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a quick shifter, the bike offers lightning-fast gear changes, ensuring you're always in the power band when you need it. In terms of electronics, the 2025's S1200 RR is a technological marvel. It comes equipped with the latest version of BMW's dynamic traction control, which adapts to your riding style and ensures optimal grip in all conditions. The bike also features multiple riding modes, including a customizable one that lets you tweak parameters like throttle response, suspension settings, and ABS intervention. Speaking of suspension, the 1S1200 RR gets semi-active dynamic damping control, which adjusts in real time to provide the perfect balance between comfort and performance. The instrument cluster is a massive 6.5-inch TFT display with crisp graphics and intuitive controls. It offers turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a host of customizable options. Whether you're on the track or exploring winding roads, the display ensures you have all the information you need at a glance. BMW has also introduced a new AI-based rider assist system, which uses sensors to analyze your riding style and provide real-time feedback, helping you improve your skills. Safety has always been a priority for BMW, and the S1200 RR is no exception. The bike features advanced cornering ABS, launch control, and an updated version of the hill start control system. Additionally, BMW has included a new collision alert system which uses radar to detect potential hazards and alerts the rider. These features make the 1200 RR not just fast, but also one of the safest superbikes on the market. For those who love long rides, the bike comes with optional heated grips and a comfort seat. BMW has also improved the fuel efficiency of the 1200 RR, thanks to its advanced engine management system. Whilst 12 bikes are not typically known for their mileage, the 1200 RR strikes a good balance between performance and practicality. Now, let's address the all-important question: how much does this masterpiece cost? The 2025 BMW S1200 RR has a starting price of $23,995 for the base model. If you want the fully loaded version, with all the bells and whistles, like the M package, it will set you back around $28,995. While it's not cheap, the features and performance it offers make it worth every penny for serious riders. The 1200 RR is not just a bike, it's an experience. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, setting lap records on the track, or simply enjoying the thrill of the open road, this machine delivers in every aspect. BMW has once again raised the bar, showing why they are leaders in the superb bike segment. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 BMW 1200 RR. What do you think of this incredible machine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Starbike, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep the passion for bikes alive with Starbike.